Coming up, we're going to talk to the engineers at Bosch about their sensors for the connected car and a home 3D printer by Dremel.
You're watching YBL TV.
I'm here with Barbara Zelené from Bosch, and we are going to talk about some of the technology that is being used in the Audi TT display in the vehicle. Barbara?
Hi. So what we have here is a freely programmable cluster. It's an information cluster that is right in front of you as the driver. And for the first time, we don't use a central display at all anymore. And that means that the driver has all the information he needs directly in front of him. So you're really not taking away your eyes off the road, not even for a second. You keep looking straight up and you have all the information right in front of you.
Fantastic. And can you show us a little bit about what this is going to do for us?
Sure. So if you look here, you have a cluster that really uses the whole space that you have in the dash in front of you. The graphics are fantastic. When you look at maps, it really shows you the detail. It has 3D art graphics. So if you're driving around town and you want to see the highlights, right, it would show up in a nice 3D graphic with it, like you can see right here. It also prioritizes for you. So if you have a maneuver going on, you know, the navigation, you should be turning right, it would push the other information to the back, like it would push the entertainment to the back or your phone information. And once you're done with the maneuver, it would come up again. And the system does this automatically. Same for the gauges, as you can see here. They turn small or big depending on A, your preferences, and B, the driving situation.
Excellent. So we're integrating safety into this technology, having everything in one area, like you said, not moving your eyes from one place to the next. But I noticed something, a little heads-up display there. Can you talk to us about that?
Sure. So our heads-up display gets this even a step further. So obviously your instrument cluster is in the dashboard. So you're not moving your eyes to the left or right, but you do have to readjust slightly. Now a heads-up display takes this all away because it projects the information directly on the road in front of you. So you're really not taking your eyes off the road at all anymore. And it displays the most important information, like your turns, like an incoming call, or what song is playing right now, including the graphic from the title CD, right? And you can see all that there.
Wonderful. Barbara, thank you so much for taking us through this wonderful system, again, that's found in the Audi TT. And thanks for your time today. Appreciate it. I'm here with George Buren at Bosch, and we are going to discuss a fantastic 3D printing system for your home. George, introduce us to the Dremel.
Well, what we have here is our Dremel 3D Idea Builder. It's a printer that we've created for the masses that's really ideal for home use, families with children, or even small businesses. So we're really excited about the launch of this new product in 2015.
Wonderful. Well, let's step a little bit closer and take a look at some of the things, some of the aspects here, and it looks like we're building something right now.
Yes, we're printing a T-Rex head just for a child or someone that may be interested in dinosaurs. It's one of our preloaded files. What we've done is really taken the key features that some of our competitive printers or the competition were not doing and added them into our Dremel 3D Idea Builder. It's really out-of-the-box experience where you're able to be up and running in 5 minutes or 10 minutes out after unpacking the 3D printer, where there's no assembly required. Very simple setup, very intuitive, very user-friendly. We've partnered with Autodesk out of San Francisco, California. They're experts in CAD systems. They've done a lot of commercial industrial work over the years. So we've taken that software, made it very intuitive, very user-friendly. So for someone getting into 3D printing, they're very easily up and running and understanding the software, very intuitive.
How many colors are available?
We have 10 colors available, basically every color of the rainbow: reds, golds, blues, orange.
And currently using one type of material that is going to be used for the printing. Are there other kinds of materials that may come out later for different aspects of the printing?
Yep, what we're working on Generation 2 right now. We're hoping to launch that October 1st, 2015. Right now it's a PLA-based filament. We expect it to continue to be a PLA-based filament for Generation 2. But in the years to come, I know that they're going to be looking at dual extruders where you can do two colors at once. And then we're also looking at different materials. One of the things that we're doing with Dremel is we're making projects out of this where you can utilize multiple materials and make not only a printed piece, but also incorporate wood, plastic, or metal to make a larger object and make a project out of it.